Hello dear subscribers, hope you all are doing well. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Babies start daydreaming even before they are born. Every domestic cats run faster than Usain Bolt. The sun weighs 2000 million tons. Gummy bears were originally called dancing bears. The world's most popular fruit is tomatoes. The British use eBay the most. The American army killed over 6 duplicates of Osama bin Laden. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Shark eggs are transparent. Wiggling inside these eggs are tiny baby sharks. Guys, please help me reach 1000 subscribers. Jennifer Aniston is the highest paid actress in the world. The hagfish is the only animal that has a skull but no spine. The smallest park in the world is 2-foot circle in Portland, Oregon. This is an underwater tunnel connecting Denmark and Sweden to each other. Water, gas, electricity has been free in Turkmenistan since 1991. On 15 January 2009, this aircraft made emergency landing on the Hudson River in NYC. The world's first Android phone launched by HTC company on 20th October 2008. The motto of Hogwarts is never tickle a sleeping dragon. There is enough sperm in single man to impregnate every woman on earth. Thomas Beatty is the world's first pregnant man. On 29 June 2008, he gives birth to a baby child. On Valentine's Day, school teachers receive the most Valentine's Day cards. WhatsApp has 1.5 billion active users in the world, out of which 400 million are from India. This is the world's largest plane graveyard, where more than 4,400 aircrafts are collected dust in the Arizona desert. Sunday was declared as a holiday on 10 June 1890 by British government. The world's most densely populated island is Migingo Island in Lake Victoria, Africa. South Africa is the only country in the world which has 3 capital cities, Cape Town, Pretoria and Bloemfontein. The heaviest and most powerful airplane ever built is Antonov An-225. In 1925, a war started between Greece and Bulgaria because a stray dog crossed their border. Mayflies have the shortest lifespan on Earth. Their lifespan lasts only for 24 hours. These 2 legends who made the world laugh without even speaking a single word. Hans Nielsen Langist, the man with the longest beard in the world. Rolex advertisements always photograph their watches at 10-10-31. The doctor who discovered that hand washing prevented the spread of disease was thrown in a mental institution for his crazy ideas. Limerence is a technical term for having a crush on someone. The sheep from New Zealand ran away and hid in a cave just to avoid shearing. In 1518, there was a dancing plague occurred in Strasbourg. 400 people danced uncontrollably for 1 month and died of heart attack. Thanks for watching. For more such facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel.